For each year, the number of trees in Forest A is represented by the function A of t equals 82 times 1.025 raised to the t power, and in a neighboring forest, the number of trees in Forest B is represented by this function. Assuming that the growth models continue to represent the growth of the forest, which forest will have a greater number of trees after 20 years? So all you have to do is calculate A of 20. You're just going to take the t out of the function and stick in the 20. Now this will be totally you and your calculator. So depending on what kind of calculator you have, I plug all that into my calculator and I get 134.3665, and then it goes out on after that. It does say round to the nearest tree, so 134.3 trees would be approximately 134 trees. And then I'm going to go to my other function, which is b of t, and I will also take out the t and stick in the 20. So this is going to be 115 times 1.029 raised to the 20. And I can already tell you that it's going to be Forest B, because not only, let me use a gray pen, not only is this number here larger than that one, but the 1.029 is larger than the 1.025. And you're raising it to a power of 20. So you're taking a larger number to the same power of 20 and then multiplying it times a bigger number, 115, than 82. But I do have to calculate this so that I can answer the second question, which is by how many. So take 115 times the 1.029 raised to the 20th power. Sorry, that should be an equal sign. And I get equal to 203.706, and it goes on after that. So to the nearest tree, we're looking at 203.7. I'd be 204 trees. So obviously B, 204 is bigger than 134. So the first answer you would pick, it's a little drop down box, so you'll choose B. And then to figure out by how many, I'm just going to take the 204 and subtract the 134 to see how many more trees it is. And I ended up with 70. Now, if you didn't round, like if you left the 134.36 blah, blah, blah number and the 203.706 blah, blah, blah number, and you subtracted those and rounded it, you would actually get 69. But if I go back and I look at Mobius, you can see there's choice B. And then over here, I put 70 in, but it says your answer 70. Correct answer is 70 plus or minus 1. That plus or minus 1 is not part of your answer. What they're saying is they will accept 70 or 71, which is 70 plus 1, or 69, which is 70 minus 1. So Mobius is going to accept three possible answers: 69, 70, and 71. It'll take any one of those three numbers. I guess it depends on where and when you round, because the only thing they want is round your answer to the nearest tree, and that's the by how many part. So depending on when you rounded, it may change your answer. So there you go.